I'm Kyle Montgomery. Today is Thursday, December 15th, and here's what's happening in the ACC now. For the first time ever, two Clemson players have been named AP First Team All-Americans in the same season. Tight end Dwayne Allen and freshman sensation Sammy Watkins, who also became the first freshman in ACC history to be named to the team. Watkins led all freshmen in receptions, receiving yards, and touchdowns, while Allen set tight end school records in receptions, yards, and TDs. Meanwhile, former Florida State head football coach Bobby Bowden made his first trip back on campus this week since his departure 2 years ago. Bowden retired as major college football's second most winning coach, behind only former Penn State coach Joe Paterno. Finally, the Maryland Terrapins aren't just losing players of late, you can now add a coach to that list. Offensive coordinator Gary Crowton is leaving the school after just one season on the sidelines, in which the Terps' offense struggled. The move continues a rapid transformation of the Maryland football program that has also had 8 players depart since the end of the season. All right, bowl season quickly approaching. We got you covered here on the ACCDN.com. Be sure to check out Riley Skinner as we get you ready for all of the ACC bowl games coming up soon. I'm Kyle Montgomery. That's it for ACC Now.